Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the 12th strategy in my guidebook, Take Short Breaks. And you can check out my guidebook down below. I've included a link in the description. The guidebook is basically 25 of my favorite and most impactful strategies that I've used to change my environment to work for me and my purpose, so that I can have more time to focus on what is important, which is the work right in front of me. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. So your body has physical needs, and what I want you to understand is when you're working, when you're doing hard work and you're tackling your goals, you might forget to take breaks. And what that does is it actually you have consequences if you don't take breaks, and one of them is attention fatigue. Attention fatigue basically means that you start to lose attention, and the quality of work that you produce is not as high as you would like it to be. This kind of relates to the other video that I made with ergonomics, improving your ergonomics. Your body has a similar need that I explained in that video, and in the same way, your body has to take some breaks so that it feels refreshed in order to begin again to refocus on the tasks that you have, so that you can have more energy and feel refreshed. So how do you do it? You schedule short breaks in between work. If you have a calendar app like Google Calendar, you just create these events, 5 to 10 minute breaks. It all depends on the person. For me, I actually have a 10-minute break every 50 minutes, so that makes up an hour. And so I have every 50 minutes, and I take breaks almost 4 times a day during that work period. Like I said, it's up to you. Figure out what time frame works for you and how long before you start to lose your attention, so that you can schedule in a quick short break where you go out, take a walk, or do something that is not labor intensive and focus on your work. So what happens once you do start taking these short breaks? Well, you start to refocus, and what I mean by that is you have time to think about what you've done and to really iterate and to then refocus the energy back to the work in a more refreshed state of mind. And this is super important because when you work, you're constantly looking at a screen, and you're not really iterating as much as if you're just staring at the screen. You have to be taking a break to really take a step back, look at what you've done, reiterate, and then to get back into work with a more clear purpose and state of mind. Like I said, you take your mind off work. And one of the things that I've noticed with taking breaks is that a lot of the problems or issues that I ran into while I'm working, I'm able to be inspired. I get these answers and sort of inspiration while I'm taking breaks to actually tackle these issues that I couldn't really think of when I was looking at the screen just right in front of me. So all in all, this is it's a necessity, but it also helps to get your mind right before you start your work session. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, click on that like button, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be releasing more videos related to the topics discussed in the guidebook down below. Go ahead and check that out first before you watch any of these videos, so that you have a clear understanding of the strategies that I'm talking about. And if you have any questions, you can message me directly or leave a comment down below so I can answer you. Hope to see you in the next one.